Mr. Khan, a few weeks before the assassination attempt against you, the chief of the ISI, in a very unusual move, spoke to reporters. He made several attacks against your behavior as Prime Minister. Now, given what happened, do you think that this was a way to threaten you, and that this means there might be further attempts on your life?
Well, firstly, Mark, the press conference which the head of the ISI did was very unadvisable. No ISI head should do a press conference, because if I replied to it point by point, I think the institution of the army would be damaged, and that's not what I would like to do, because we do need a strong defense force here. But I think the press conference was also in response to this, our best investigative journalist who was portraying my point of view. He had been threatened with death. He left the country and actually was assassinated in Kenya. And there was a big public backlash, and people pointed fingers at the establishment. And I think I felt that the press conference was more to placate the public opinion.